Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get another free crypto, which will be SKALE Network. It will be the same process as you did before, so first get into your account on Coinbase.com. If you watched my first videos on this channel, you should probably have an account already on Coinbase.com. If not, just sign up and get verified first. After you went through all this process, go to the main page, scroll down and find the earn button. So as you can see, you're gonna use the same way. As you can see, at the top of the list, there is a new crypto SKALE network available to be earned. We are going to use the same way I showed you in my first tutorial, so you just have to watch some short videos, take the quiz and pick the right answer. And don't worry guys, I just got ready all the right answers for you. You just need to watch this video and repeat step by step what you see there. So let's start with the first lesson, where you can learn and discover what the SKALE network is. After a few of these info blocks, you pick the right answer, which is the second one, any Ethereum application, and then boom guys, you got some crypto. Keep doing the same thing and pick the answer at the second lesson, which is the third one, delegate SKALE to a validator. And at the third question, pick the first answer, which is an internet of blockchains. Now it's time to check the portfolio to see the total value of the SKALE network we got. And as you can see, the 2.47 euro or $3 depending on your currency. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, press the like button, and thank you for watching guys. See you in the next videos.